Hello everyone, welcome again to our YouTube channel Codishop. My name is Anant Negi and I am here to give you a brief demonstration on a new OpenCart module named Affiliate Shop. Let's begin with our module configuration setting. To install the module, you just have to upload the modification file and all the module files in the OpenCart directory. So let's go to our extension modules. Then you can see here Affiliate Shop. Then after click on editing, you can see that there are numerous options that are available for this module configuration. So we will go through one by one for each and every option. As you can see here, there is status that you can use to enable or disable the module. Then we have front edit status, and after enabling this feature, you can see in the front end that you can update the product add to cart button text, or you can update the add to cart link that will be used to redirect to the affiliate that you are giving for a particular product. Like here you can see that we have added a product name iPhone, and for iPhone I have used the add to cart text as buy on Amazon, and in other language comprar and Amazon. So after that we have used add to cart link as a Flipkart product, and that link will be used in the add to cart button, like buy on Amazon button. Then the link will be redirected to the website for which you have used affiliate for. Like here it will go to the website in Flipkart. Let me just quickly click it, and then you can see here, you can see that it is opening the product page in Flipkart. So you can edit any product in your website, and then you can use that product to be able for using it as a affiliate marketing product. So you can update, like in this product you can see I will use an Amazon website for this and select a product so that I can redirect the product into Amazon website where I will share my affiliate link, as I'm just demonstrating it for a particular product and adding a link for this product. So as I go here in MacBook, here you can see the update message. Now when I click on it, the product page that is open here is amazon.in, and the product that we have used in our uh, affiliate link. And this is only available for admin when admin is logging, and you can update the product from here also on the product page. Here you can see the same functionality. You can add product description from the backend menu as you can do in other modules. So you just have to go to catalog product and then edit a product, and then change the description that you want to change, and you can save it. After that, what we have is language menu. If I want to be able to use or see the language menu in the front end, then you can use the option visible or not visible. For the other current menu option, it is same, it will be visible or not visible. In header section, in footer section, it will be same, visible and not visible. And in the default text, what we have is, let me give you an example, that if you have added multiple products before and then you are using affiliate shop, then you can use this feature of this module, that when you add the default text in here and click on save, then all the products that are not having any default text will add the default text as that you have given in here. So that's it. I will show you with these features like language menu. I can enable them and then disable this. So when I go here, as you can see, this menu is visible. So okay, here you can see the menu is not visible now, and only the language menu and currency menu are visible. As it is in multi-language, then so you can change the language and see that this is the message in add to cart is being changed. As I'm using Spanish language, you can see it is redirecting to the page of your affiliate link, and the footer is also not visible here. So that's it for this module, I guess. That's it for today. If you have any query or issue in regarding this module, then you can do comment us below in the video section, and also you can mail us. And if you like our video, please do subscribe, and thank you for watching.